Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the top 25 most important question answer from the chapter French Revolution. So let's start it. The first question is, when did French Revolution begin? तो फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन 14 जुलाई 1789 को बैस्टिल्स को तोड़ने से हुआ था, जो कि पेरिस में था. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, हु वॉज द किंग ऑफ पेरिस ड्यूरिंग द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन? तो लुइस 16 जो था वो फ्रांस का किंग था ड्यूरिंग फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, लुइस 16 बिलोंग टू विच डायनेस्टी? लुइस 16 बिलोंग टू द बॉर्बन फैमिली और डायनेस्टी यू कैन से. नेम दिस क्लासेस विच वेयर प्रिविलेज स्टेट्स. So the clergy and nobility was the two consecutive state which was privileged. Fifth question, who belonged to the third state? तो थर्ड स्टेट से वो लोग आते थे जो कि क्लर्जी और नोबिलिटी नहीं हो. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, which state of the France society paid the taxes? तो only the third state had to pay all the taxes and all the burdens were on them. Seventh question, the 18th century witnessed the emergence of which social group in France? तो 18th century था वो मिडिल क्लास का इमर्जेंस देखा था ड्यूरिंग फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. Eighth question is, what was the name of the direct tax collected by the state from the peasants in 18th century? So the name of the tax was tally. Ninth question, name the author of this book. The Social Contract was written by Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Two Treaties was John Locke, and The Spirit of Law by Montesquieu. This question is very much important. 10th question is, in which book Rousseau mentioned the idea of one person, one vote? The Social Contract was the book in which he mentioned this idea. Important question this is. 11th question is, who was the representative of the third state in Versailles on 20th June 1789? So Mirabeau and Abbe Sieyès was the representative. You should remember the spelling of this word because this important is also important. What was the State General? It was a political body controlled by the French monarch. Thirteenth question is, which right were given to the people which was natural and inalienable rights? So right to life, freedom, speech, opinion were those. You can refer this answer. 14th is, what was the main object of National Assembly? So the main object was to limit the power of monarch. Important question. What is the meaning of sans culottes? The meaning of sans culottes is those without knee breeches. Sixteenth question, what did the red cap worn by sans culottes symbolize? The red cap symbolized the concept of liberty. What was the name of the assembly which was called in France? So the name of this assembly was Convention. You should write the whole sentence. 18th question, who abolished the monarch in France and declared republic and when? On 21st 1972 it was abolished. When was slavery abolished? Slavery was abolished in 1948. When did the women in France get the right to vote? The women get the right to vote in 1946. The 21st question is, who wrote the Declaration of Rights to Women and Citizens? Answer is Pompey de Gaulle. Spelling is very much important. 22nd is, when did Napoleon Bonaparte recrown himself the Emperor of France? So he recrowned himself in 1804. 23rd is, when was Napoleon Bonaparte defeated? So in 1815 Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated. 24th is which Indian individual responded to the ideas coming from French Revolution? So Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy was those. 25th is in which year Louis XVI was sentenced to death? So he was sentenced to death in 1793. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.